Are you ending summer looking and feeling like your best self? If not, you are not alone. I have had so many people come to me saying, Katie, oh my God, what has happened to me this summer? I've eaten way too much pizza, drank way too much alcohol. I have barely worked out at all, and I've totally let myself go. I've gained weight, I'm uncomfortable, I'm bloated, and I'm super not confident. And I don't want to continue going down this path. Help! I need a solution now. So if this is you, don't freak out and listen up. So I have a solution. I am rerunning my 30-day summer shred program, changing it to end of summer shred program to get us into the fall season looking and feeling like our best selves. It is not too late. It is never too late to take care of yourself and to put your health first. And in this program, I'm going to walk you through step by step each and every day, giving you a plan for 30 days so that you can accomplish all of your goals in this very short period of time. I have ran this program now 5 times, and everyone who has done this program has gotten incredible results. The plan is there, the accountability is there, everything is there that you need to get in incredible shape in 30 days. The average person who is in this program loses around 9.5 pounds, 7 inches, and 1 pant size. Seriously, in 1 month. So if you're right now like, yes, okay, this sounds great, sign me up right now. Go to summershred.today. All right, you will go on this website. You'll see everyone's transformations up and around the page. If you don't believe me, look for yourself. And then from there, you can see if this program's right for you. But if you're like, let's do this, go ahead, summershred.today and sign up to reserve your spot in this exclusive program. Only 30 people are accepted in. Are you going to be one of those lucky people? Let's go. It's time to get shredded.